Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is so lovely to have you here today. For today's video, I'm going to show you how I apply the Colorista spray from L'Oreal Paris. And it's basically a one-day color, highlights in rose gold. So I'm actually really excited about using this product because it's a one-day color. Because some of the other products that they have are like, you put the pink things on your hair and then it stays on there for a really long time. But I heard a few people say to me on Instagram that it sticks to your ends if you've got really bad split ends. Luckily I just got a haircut, so I don't think I've got any bad split ends, and if it does cling to my hair and I have to get a haircut, to be honest with you, I won't be too bummed. Just really excited to use it, so I don't really mind if it messes up my hair or not. So if you kind of go in with that mindset, then definitely, give this a go. But if you're too scared to use this because you're scared that it's not going to wash out after you use it, then I recommend just stay away. So I'm sectioning off my hair right now. And another thing that I saw people do is they put a towel around them because apparently it like stains like makeup. So let's read the instructions first, please, because I don't know. Put towel on shoulders, shake well, apply 15 centimeters away from hair, let dry and brush one time. Spray longer for more intensity. For a mermaid look, spray different colors on separate strands. Nah, not going for that, just going for pink or rose gold. Okay, I've got a mirror in front of me, so if I don't look at the camera, just know that's why. Okay. I'm a little bit nervous now. Oh jeez. I got my ear! Okay, so one side done. Okay, and now for the last section. I'm running out. Running low. Okay, I've used basically all of it. This bottle is like freezing cold by the end. It's really weird, and I definitely maybe recommend wearing gloves on the hand that you'll be spraying, but I'm sure that it comes off. So what I'm going to do now, they say brush once. Doesn't make a really big difference, I don't think. I don't know. What do you guys think? I think you need like at least 2 or 3 of these to completely get your hair to be really pink. There's definitely some pink streaks in here. I might just give my hair a little bit of a curl and then I'll show you how it looks after that. So that is the end product. It's not like really pink, it's just very subtle, and I actually really like it. Like, it's not like scary, it's just, oh, a little bit of, you know, pop of colour. So it's definitely something that I would definitely do again if I had like a special event on and I want to have some, you know, new do, but also not too scary. So I'm really excited to see how the rest of this day goes with my hair like this, and if I actually enjoy it for the rest of the day. But so far I really like it. The only thing that I don't like about it is it's, I don't know, maybe I like it, but I think it's maybe growing on me, I'm not too sure. But the patches, like there's some like really pink, and then there's other areas where it's not as pink, and I definitely think I need to practice a bit more with spraying this stuff on my hair. But other than that, I really like how it turned out. It's fun, it's fluffy, and it is pink. Well, rose gold pink. Yeah, so I really hope that you enjoyed this video. It was short and sweet, right to the point really. I asked on Instagram if you guys wanted to see how I spray my hair with this L'Oreal Colorista rose gold thing, and you guys said yes, so this is why I filmed this video. But that's it basically. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really loved filming this, and I really like how my hair looks today. I will leave a link down below for this product. It's not sponsored, this video is not sponsored at all. I just really wanted to try it, but if you like how it looks, I definitely recommend just giving it a go and trying it. So I will link this down below in the description box, and yeah, so you can go click on it if you want to buy some. You can also find it in like supermarkets in New Zealand. I'm not too sure anywhere else where you are, but definitely we'll link it down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much. Please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and more exciting things to come. I will see you in my next video. Until next time, bye bye.